Alright guys, I had a request to see how this pull Kickstarter works. So, I'm gonna fucking reefer right up for you. I usually just kneel right behind it. That's all she wrote. Same thing as Kickstarter, but a little different. Definitely still hits your fender, but works. Not too bad. So all I did was cut it at a 90, shot it out, extended it out. Just put this grip on it today, little roller. It's well DeV'd and the washer fucking holds it right on a twist throttle too. This makes it a little nicer when you're going to pull it, instead of pulling a fucking straight bar. For now, it works. Alright.